We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And as we can see, still we are within this downtrend, and we had the opportunity to look for sell as a short term. We explained in my last analysis, but we mentioned we're looking for buy. We're looking for the reversal. This is what we're looking for. That's why I mentioned if we get any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. And the targets we can look for is 9.6 following by 10.6. And if you put this loan relative to the previous one, and if you refer to the MACD, we see the divergence, and this one relative to the previous one, even if we, based on this indicator, we see we have a divergence. All right. That's why from now, if we get any reversal, any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. But if we move to lower, I mean, the zoom in, still we need to be quite careful. We can consider this one as a flat, as a 1, 2, 3 for one more drop. Still, we can expect to see one more drop before we see the reversal. That's why if anyone wants to look for sell, any sell from here, as long as the price broke the previous low, we need to be quite careful. It's a short term. For sure, if we get one more drop, then any reversal from there, it can give us better opportunity to look for buy. All right. But even at this point, we don't see any trade setup for buy unless this one turns to a correction. But simply, we cannot take the trade because, as I explained, we can expect to see next drop. Anyway, we are more interested to look for buy. The any sell is a short term, because if we move to daily chart, and based on daily chart, if we get any reversal, any opportunity for buy as a long term, this is what we're looking for, and we need to see the breakout of the 18. But the question is whether the price can break the previous low, which is 6.1 or 6.15 or not. We prefer to see the reversal without the breakout of the 6 or 6.1. Anyway, if we move to forward chart, and even based on forward chart, if you refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. The only question is if we put this one in relative to this, but if we want to consider this one, we cannot look for divergence, but simply we can put this in relative to this and we have a divergence. That's why if we get any opportunity for buy, this is what we're looking for. All right. That's mean if we get any opportunity for sell is a short term, and we are not very interested, because if he wants to look for sell at this point, the only way is to put our entry below this, which I don't suggest it. Unless based on lower time frame, we see the short term flag, then we be the breakout of the previous low, we take out the trade, or we move our stop loss to break even, not take out the trade. All right. Anyway, we are more interested to look for buy. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. But at this point, we don't see any trade setup for buy. We have to wait. Thanks.